Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Nissan Pathfinder key fob. First, gather your tools. A small flathead screwdriver or a coin will work perfectly. You'll find a small slot on the side of the key fob, usually near the key ring attachment. This is where we will begin the process. Take a moment to ensure you have good lighting and a clear surface to prevent losing any small parts. Now, carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into the small slot you located. With a gentle twisting motion, you should feel the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. It's important to apply steady, light pressure here to avoid any damage to the plastic casing. The goal is to create a small gap, allowing you to fully pry it open. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small, round battery inside. Take note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver. Most Nissan Pathfinder key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Insert the new battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. To reassemble, simply align the two halves of the key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once closed, take a moment to test all the buttons on your key fob. Ensure the lock, unlock, and panic buttons are all functioning properly. You've successfully opened and serviced your Nissan Pathfinder key fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.